Hello everybody! In this tutorial we would like to show how you can unlink the Google Photos from your iPhone. So the first way to do that is by going into the Google Photos, tapping on your avatar picture, going into the Google Photos settings, back up and think, and here just turn off the switch. The next way that you can do that is from the settings, so let's go ahead and open the settings. In here just find the Google Photos category. And remove, or should I say restrict, the Photos access to it. And after that, if even that didn't help, you can just go ahead, tap and hold at the Google Photos on any of your home screens or at the app menu. You can just choose the remove app option and then confirm the app deletion, just like so. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.